How to hide post form on BuddyPress activity profile page. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you the how to hide post form on BuddyPress activity profile page. This is useful if you want to make users can post their status from the global activity page only, not from their profile page. This is like LinkedIn where users only can post statuses from the global activity page. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Create a new PHP file and name it bp.custom.php. If you already have it, no need to create a new one. Just open it. Please copy a snippet from our GitHub page. You can see and click the URL on the description of this video. Paste the copied snippet to the file. And then save it. Let's see the result. Now you can see the posting form has been removed from the profile page. But members can post the status through the global activity page. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.